Progress.
Right. Last property. So at the time it will be cut. So what is the last property is if AB is equal to 0, if AB is equal to 0, then either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, anyone, either A0 or B0 or both are not equal to 0, then also it is equal to 0. Both are not equal to 0, then also it is equal to 0. First condition is the general. So specific condition is the second one. First condition is the general. But in answer is that they are going to give and this only we have to be applied. This is the general. This is the specific condition. For a specific condition. So in examination objective, they will ask me AB is equal to 0 mean either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Okay, na? Either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. For this one, we have to see the one example. Everyone write down. So for this one, write down the example is A is equal to A matrix is equal to 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 2. And third matrix is B is equal to 3, 5, 0, 0. This is non-zero. It is not equal to 0. It is a null matrix. B also not a null matrix. A is not a null matrix. B also not a null matrix. But it's multiplication. See, AB multiplication row to column 0, minus 1, 0, 2 is a row. First row C is underline R1, first row, R2, second row. So first row, second row. So second matrix B matrix C 3, 5, 0, 0. Note down the second matrix columns. This is the C1 and this is the C2. One row to all columns, row to columns multiplication. Therefore, AB is equal to first row start amount 0 minus 1 will multiply with the first column and 0 minus same row multiply with the second column 5 0 direct we can do, but I am writing for some time practice only. I am writing, but you should be do directly 0 2. So multiply with the first column and the same row 0 2 multiply with the second column. What is the 5 0? Now write down the multiplication. So 0 into 3 is a 0 0. Total value is a 0. First one is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. Minus 1 into 0 is a 0. 0 into 5 is a 0. Minus 1 into 0 is a 0. 0 into 3 is a 0. Total value is a 0. 2 is 0 into 5 is a 0. Total value is a 0. Therefore, we get the null matrix. But A is not a null matrix. B is not a null matrix. But A is not a null matrix. B is not a null matrix. But we get the AB multiplication is a null matrix. That is the specific case, not in all cases. So generally we are going to write. So what we are going to write? A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 either. So that is the points. Okay, na? So once again they are telling properties is repeated already. I will tell properties. So once again means we stand there only. Okay, na? Right. So all properties we are going to write. So one time I will tell properties is the so what is the, it does not obey the commutative law. First property is A does not obey the commutative law. It obeys the associative law. What is the commutative law? AB is not equal to BA, but it obeys the associative law. A bracket of BC is equal to A bracket of AB into C in multiplication does not obey the commutative law but obey the associative law. It obeys the distributive law. A into B plus C means direct multiplication. A into B plus A into C is the distributive law. Okay, na? Right. Identity law is A into I or I into A is equal to A. That is called identity law, this property. Next, any proper A power of n plus 1, we can write it as a power of n into A as a real number process. In matrices also, we can write as a real number process. Next, A plus B whole square is equal to, so write down A square, meaning is the A into A. So first one, A plus B into A plus B multiplication, A plus B into A plus B. Every square is a product of the two terms. So then A plus B into A plus B matrix. First you have to multiply with A into A. Same matrix is multiplied 2 times. A into B plus B start with B. B into A. B is the first, A is the second because of it is not obey the commutative law. B into B. Same matrix multiplied 2 times. We can write it as A square. A is the first matrix. B is the second matrix. Does not obey the commutative law. Therefore, so A square, AB is not equal to BA. We can write like this one. Same A minus B whole square also we can write. Next, the last property I will be explained. Okay, na? So right. We go to the exercise 3.2. Everyone go through the exercise 3.2. Right. See the everyone. See in our textbook exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Everyone observe. Exercise 3.2. First problem. Right now, A matrix. A is the symbol of the matrix. Its elements are closed bracket 2, 4, 3, 2. Right. B is the another name of the symbol of the matrix. Its elements are 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Next, C is the another name of symbol of the matrix. Its elements are minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Minus, right. What we have to find is, first everyone find the first bit is the A plus B addition. Second bit is A minus B subtraction. Third bit is, first you can do 3A scalar multiplication. 3A after subtraction. Fourth bit is AB multiplication. Fifth bit is BA multiplication. Right, fast we can do. All bits I will write on the board. Fast everyone do. A plus B. A matrix add first bit is A matrix add with the B matrix. A matrix is the 2, 4, 3, 2. And B matrix also 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So addition means sum of the corresponding element 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3. First element plus element, second element, third element, and third element, and fourth element, Fast write out everyone. Then we get 3, 7, and 1, 7. A plus B is completed. Second bit is A minus B. A matrix minus B matrix. This can be written as A plus minus of B. B matrix multiply with the minus. Right, we can see A matrix is, what is the A matrix is the 2, 4, 3, 2. B matrix multiply with the minus. So minus 1, minus 3, and 2, minus 5. 2 minus 5, add these all up. Add these all up. So addition is 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 plus 2, and 2 minus 5. Right? Simplification right down. Everyone, what is the simplification is 1 and 1 and 5 and minus 3 is the matrix. Right? Everyone represent. Right, third bit is, everyone see the third bit, 3 into A minus C, 3 multiply the A matrix and C matrix multiply with the minus, after that add. 3 into A matrix C, 2, 4, 3, 2, plus C matrix multiply with the minus. So C matrix minus is the plus 2, minus 5, and minus 3, and minus 4. C matrix multiply with the minus. C matrix multiply with the minus, plus 2, minus 5, minus 3, minus 4. 3 multiply the scalar multiplication. Multiply. So 3 multiply to the every element. So 3 into 2 is the 6, 12, 9, and 6. Plus 2 minus 5 and minus 3 minus 4. Add these two. Everyone add first. Everyone add first. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is the 8. And 12 minus 5. 9 minus 3. 6 minus 4. Everyone write down the answer is 8 and 7 and 6 and 2. So first bit completed, second bit completed, third bit completed. Come to the fourth bit. First complete. Again, I will repeat the properties at particular problems will come now. Again, I will repeat that properties. First, everyone, AB multiplication. A into B, fourth bit is A matrix multiply with the B matrix, row to columns multiplication. A matrix is the 2, 4, 3, 2, and B matrix is 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 2, 5. All right, first matrix rows underline, second matrix columns underline. First matrix multiply. So first matrix row 2, 4 multiply with the first column, and again multiply with the second column. 2, 4 multiply with the second column. That is the 3, 5. First, everyone do. First, everyone. AB multiplication. Everyone, fast you can do. Right. Second row, start with the second row, everyone. Start with the second row. What is the second row? Is the 3, 2 multiply with the first column. And the same row, 3, 2 multiply with the second column, 3, 5. And multiply should be right down. So that is the 2, 2 minus 8, 2 minus 8. Next, 6 plus 20. 6 plus 20. Next, 3 minus 4. Next, 9 plus 10. Its answer is minus 6, 26, and minus 1, 19. Go through the multiplication of PA first. PA multiplication. Fifth bit is B matrix multiply with A matrix row columns. So B matrix is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. First is the B matrix. And second is the A matrix. What is the A matrix is? 2, 4, 3, 2. First matrix underline rows. Second matrix underline columns. Right, multiply. Here is 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 3 plus 3 into 3. First row multiply with the first column, 1 into 2, 3 into 3. First row multiply with the second column, 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Second row, start with the second row. Minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Second row with the first column. Second row with the second column. Minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Now write down value. So 2 plus 9, 11. 4 plus 6, 10. Minus 4 plus 15, 11. Minus 4 plus 15, 11. Minus 8 plus 10, 2. Right. See the everyone. AB is equal to BA na. AB is not equal to BA na. AB is equal to BA na. See AB matrix C. What is the AB is equal to? So minus 6, 26 and minus 1, 19. What is the BA matrix C? BA multiplication is 11, 10, 11, 2. So AB, BA equal or not equal? Not equal means obey the commutator, does not obey the commutator. Does not obey the commutator. Now write down. AB not equal to BA, therefore, so does not obey the commutator law. What property is completed? Does not obey the commutator law. Does not obey the commutator law. Obey the commutator law. Does not obey the commutator law. Okay, na? Right. Go through the one property is completed. So once again, repeat the property. Tell na the one property is completed. Right. First, second problem. Everyone go through the second problem. Second problem first. Compute the following. Compute the following. First, everyone. Compute the following. First bit is A, B is the first row, minus B, A is the second row, plus second matrix is the A and the B, A, B and B, A. First bit complete, everyone. First bit complete fast. A plus A, B plus B, minus B plus B, A plus A. Answer is 2A, 2B, 0 and 2A. Second bit, go through the second bit. Write down the second bit is a square plus b square plus c square, and a square plus c square, and a square plus b square. 2 plus second matrix is right now 2ab, 2bc. Next one is a minus 2ac minus 2ab. First add and write down. First everyone. So first one is first row, first element add with the first element, a square plus b square, add with 2ab. First element add with the first element. Second element b square plus c square with add with the second element 2bc. Third element, so a square plus c square, a square plus c square, add with minus 2ac. Third element add with the third element. Fourth element add with the fourth element, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. This is the formula of b plus c whole square. And this is the formula of a minus c whole square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Addition is completed. Addition is completed. Right, first, third bit. Everyone go through the third bit. Minus 1, 4, minus 6, 8, 5, and 16, and 2, 8, 5, less 12, 7, 6, 8, 0, 5, 3, 2, 4. First add and write down answer. First add and write down. Fast everyone. There is no vaccination. How can you come to the college? Means you can sit in home and prepare cooking. Useless fella. Right. Minus 1 plus 12 is 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. And minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 16, 5, 21, 5, 10, and 9. Right. Yes, 100%. So 23rd college will be starting. No doubt about it. 5, 10, 9. Okay, 16, 5, 21. Correct. Right. Go through the fourth bit first. Everyone go through the fourth bit. Everyone go through the fourth bit. Cos square x. Second element is a sin square x. So second row, sin square x. Second row, second element is a cos square x. Closed bracket. Left. Sin square x. Sin square x. Cos square x. Next, cos square x. Sin square x. Now add and write down answer. Everyone add and write down. First everyone add and write down. First we can. First element, first element. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. 1 is the answer. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Very good. 1 is the correct one. Right. Third problem, everyone. Fast, come to the. Only 5 minutes we have in our hand. Fast, everyone. Multiplication. Third problem, first bit. Compute the following. A, B, minus B, A, multiply with A minus B, B, A. Okay, multiply. First, everyone multiply. Multiplication means always one row to all columns, row to columns, row to columns. First matrix rows underline that R1. This is the R2. Right. Column second matrix C1 and C2. Direct you can have idea means direct you can do. Direct A square plus B square. First element was A square. Second element B into B the B square. Same first row with the second column. So A into minus B, AB. B into A plus AB. First row with the first column, first row with the second column is over. Second row minus AB plus AB. Next minus plus B square plus A square. Here both are cancelled. Answer is A square plus B square. 0, 0, B square plus A square. All right, second bit is column matrix 1, 2, 3. And row matrix 2, 3, 4. Already I tell column matrix, in column matrix, every element is a row. In row matrix, every element is a column. So this is the first column. This is the second column. This is the third column. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. So in column matrix, every element is a row. In column matrix, every element is a row. In row matrix, every element is in column. First element is in first column. Second element is second column. Third element is indicating third column. Right, but now multiplication start. R1 C1 and R1 C2, R1 C3. First row with the 3 column, 1 row with the columns. Second R2 C1, R2 C2, R2 C3. Next R3 C1, R3 C2. And R3 C3. Multiplication do and write down. Multiplication do and write down. Row with all column. Row to columns multiplication. Row to columns multiplication. Row to columns multiplication. R1 is 1. C1 is 2. Next R1 is 1. C2 is 3. R1 is 1, C3 is 4. Next, R2. R2 is 2, R1, C1 is 2, R2 is 2, C2 is 3, R2 is 2, C3 is 4. Start with the R3, R3 with C1, 3 with C2, and 3 with C3. Right. Now write down the multiplication and we write down the answer is next 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9, and 12. Right. Right. Everyone go through the third bit. First enter into the third bit. Array, you are wasting the time to putting the messages. Huh? You can do the work. Right. Everyone go through the third bit. What you are putting the message, nobody will see, cannot see. I only see that is that. Third bit. 1 minus 2 and 2, 3. Next. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 1. Right. First matrix rows underline. First matrix row, second matrix columns. First matrix rows and second column matrix. So I will write some downside. So 1 minus 2, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now everyone, first matrix R1, R2. This is the R2. C1. This is the C2. This is the C3. R1 start. R1 multiply with the 3 columns. Row. The row to all columns. Next, R2 start. R2 multiply with the 3 columns. So row to columns multiplication. One row multiply with all columns. R1 is, what is R1 is? 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. And C1 is 1, 2. Next, R1 same, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. C2 is 2, 3. Next, R1 is C3 is 3, 1. First, everyone, R2 write down. 2, 3. R2 is 2, 3. With the first column 1, 2. R2 is 2, 3. With the second column 2, 3. R2